clap and count to 8 twice. And I want to hear you count. It's speaking. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then the second part is where I have actually changed the words depending upon what grade level. This one down here in black is for my second graders. Does anyone use Book the Book in here? Book the Book is a phonics kind of thing. Okay, this was one of the things they had to memorize. Don't start this one, okay? This one we're just going to look at the words. I am eat. Eat the sheep. This is Pete. She needs to sleep. And it goes on and on and on. The one we're going to learn is the next one. So Rachel, if you'll scroll up to the next one underneath it. Are we going to get this one here? Up here. Can we start it again? Okay, let's try going to YouTube directly. Will it go to YouTube? Oh, you don't have smartphone. Try it.